Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Welcome to class 2. Today is our English class. So open your books and come on the page number 19. This is your unit number 2. The name of the unit is Abu Ali counts his donkeys. In the previous lecture we are discussing the exercise of the unit number 1, the great race 1. This is our lecture number 4. Let's have a reading. Now come towards the page number 20. One day Abu Ali went to the fair. He bought 9 donkeys. He rode on one of them. The other donkeys walked behind him. After a while, Abu thought, "Are all my donkeys here?" And he turned around to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, where's number 9? Abu said. He jumped down and stood near his donkey. He looked behind the rocks, he looked behind the trees, but there was no donkey there. "I'll count them again," Abu said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, he must have come back. So Abu climbed back onto the donkey. He rode away. After a while he counted his donkeys again. He saw only 8. He got down again. He looked behind the rocks. He looked behind the trees. But there was no donkey there. Now come towards the page number 21. I will count them again, he thought, and now he counted 9 donkeys. Just then Abu saw his friend Musa. "Musa," he called, "help me to count my donkeys, please. When I stop to count, I have only 8. When I get down to look for the 9th, there he is again. Well, I can see 10 donkeys." Abu laughed. "Musa, 10? How can you see 10? Asked Abu. "You are sitting on one, and there are 8 donkeys behind you," said Musa. "Of course," said Abu. "How silly of me. But where is the 10th donkey?" "He is sitting on top of the first donkey," said Musa, "and his name is Abu Ali." This is the end of our reading. I will tell you a short summary of this lesson. This is a short funny story about Abu Ali who did not able to count his donkeys correctly. One day Abu Ali went to a fair and bought 9 donkeys. He rode one of them and the rest of them followed him. After a while Abu Ali thought that he should count his donkeys. He turned around to count his donkeys, but 9th one is missing. He jumped down from his donkey and looked behind the rocks and trees, but could not see 9th donkey anywhere. He started counting them again and counted there the 9th one also. Abu Ali climbed back onto the donkey. After a while he counted his 8 donkeys only. He could not find the 9th donkey. When he again counted, there were 9 donkeys. At that time Abu saw his friend Musa. He asked his help for Musa help to count his donkeys. Musa replied that he saw 10 donkeys. There were 9 donkeys and one sitting on the first donkey, and that was Abu Ali. ये मज़ाहिया कहानी अबू अली के बारे में है जो कि अपने गधों को ठीक तरह से नहीं गिनता। एक दिन अबू अली मेले में गया और उसने 9 गधे ख़रीद लिए और वो इनमें से एक पर सवार हुआ और बाकी इसके पीछे आगे आने लगे। थोड़ी देर बाद अबू अली ने सोचा कि इसे इतने गधे गिनने चाहिए। वो अपने गधे गिनने के लिए वापस मुड़ा, लेकिन 9वां गधा गायब था। उसने गधे के ऊपर से छलांग लगाई और दरख्तों और चट्टानों के पीछे देखा, लेकिन उसको गधा नज़र नहीं आया। इसने उनको दोबारा गिनना शुरू कर दिया और 9वां गधा भी मौजूद था। अबू अली दोबारा गधे पर सवार हुआ और कुछ देर बाद उसने दोबारा अपने उन 8 गधों को गिनना और शुरू कर दिया। 9वां गधा कहीं नज़र ना आया। जब उसने दोबारा गिने तो 9 गधे थे। उसी वक्त उसे अपना दोस्त मूसा नज़र आया। उसने मूसा से मदद मांगी कि उसे गधों को गिनने में मदद करे। मूसा ने जवाब दिया कि उसने 10 गधे देखे हैं। उसने कहा यहाँ 9 गधे हैं और एक गधा पहले गधे पर बैठा है जो कि अबू अली है। उम्मीद है कि आपको स्टोरी जो वो समझ आ गई होगी। होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द lesson correctly. As you can see in the video, I write down the dictation words of this lesson. First of all, you draw proper margin lines on your notebook. Then you write down the date and day. Then you write down unit 2. The name of the unit is Abu Ali counts his donkeys. Then you write down dictation. Number 1, bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. Number 2, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Number 3, T-U-R-N-E-D, turned. C-O-U-N-T-E-D, counted. C-L-I-M-B-E-D, climbed. L-O-O-K-E-D, looked. J-U-M-P-E-D, jumped. T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought. L-A-U-G-H-E-D, laughed. S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting. That you draw a ending line. Number 1, bought, donkey, turned, counted, climbed, looked, jumped, thought, laughed, sitting. You do your work properly, neat and clean on your notebooks. Hope you understand the lesson. You read down the text from your book. Take a good care of yourself. I say Allah Hafiz to all of you.